Welcome back to Auto Insider, your favorite place for the latest car reviews, electric vehicle updates and future mobility technology. Today we are talking about the Toyota C-Pod electric vehicle in Japan with an amazing white python color theme that gives this small EV a futuristic and premium look. The Toyota C-Pod is designed for city driving and modern urban transport. It is a compact electric vehicle made especially for people who want an eco-friendly and simple driving experience in crowded cities. The Toyota C-Pod comes with a very small and lightweight body which makes parking and driving extremely easy in busy roads and tight spaces. The front design looks modern and unique while the smooth curves and compact shape give it a stylish appearance. The white python color gives the vehicle a clean and shiny luxury look that stands out on the road. The color combination makes the car feel futuristic and attractive especially for young drivers and people who love modern electric cars. Inside the Toyota C-Pod you get a simple but practical cabin. The dashboard design is clean and user-friendly. The seating capacity is for 2 people and the interior space feels comfortable for short city trips. Toyota focused more on practicality and efficiency instead of heavy luxury features. The visibility from the driver's seat is very good and the controls are easy to use even for new drivers. Talking about performance, the Toyota C-Pod uses a small electric motor that is built for city mobility. It provides smooth acceleration and silent driving, which is one of the best advantages of electric vehicles. The compact battery system gives enough driving range for daily use in urban areas. Charging the vehicle is also simple and convenient for regular users. The lightweight body helps improve battery efficiency and makes the vehicle more energy-saving. The safety features in the Toyota C-Pod are impressive for such a small electric vehicle. Toyota added basic driver assistance technologies including collision avoidance support and parking assistance systems. The strong body structure and stability control system help provide a safer driving experience in city traffic conditions. One of the biggest highlights of the Toyota C-Pod is its affordable running cost. Since it is fully electric, there is no fuel expense and maintenance is lower compared to traditional petrol vehicles. This makes it a great option for students, small families, delivery services and city commuters. The compact size also helps reduce traffic congestion and parking problems in crowded urban areas. The white python style gives this Toyota C-Pod a very special identity. The glossy white finish combined with modern electric styling creates a premium futuristic appearance. Many people in Japan are now becoming interested in compact EVs because they are economical, environmentally friendly and practical for daily city life. Toyota continues to expand its electric vehicle technology and the C-Pod is one of the unique examples of smart urban transportation. It may look small from outside but it offers efficiency, comfort and modern design for everyday users. The vehicle represents the future of compact mobility in modern cities where clean energy and smart transportation are becoming more important every year. Thank you for watching Auto Insider. If you enjoyed this review of the Toyota C-Pod White Python Edition, then make sure to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Auto Insider for more amazing car reviews, electric vehicle updates and future automotive technology content.